Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how your phone can aid kind of like your motion sickness if you get dizzy while looking at your phone in the car, in a plane, on a boat, in a train. I don't know. I really get motion sickness. I don't know why. I used to not have motion sickness. I actually used to love car rides a lot, and I would just like fall asleep and actually did not want to sleep unless I was in a car when I was like a baby. But now sometimes I get motion sick. It's mostly because of my stomach issues, but anyways, I can't really look at my phone for so long. I mean, nobody messages me, but like I cannot watch videos. I can only like listen to music in a car and just look out the window. But to help with that motion sickness, you can actually go to settings and you can go to the accessibility tab here, and you'll be able to see this motion setting under vision, which is this one. And there will be, okay, this is not where it was, hold on, where was it? Well, like at this point, just like find motion sickness here. Oh, actually it's here. What am I saying? Sorry. It says show vehicle motion cues. Dots appear near the edges of your iPhone screen. They follow the movement of the vehicle and may help reduce motion sickness. You can turn them on and off in Control Center. So you can add this to your Control Center if you don't want to go to settings every time, but you're just going to select the show vehicle motion cues. You can set it to automatic. So when your phone detects that you're in a car, it's just going to automatically be there. But if you just want to turn it on and off manually, you can just click on. You'll see these like little dots here, and when you move like with a car, it's going to move along with the car, like the car's motion, so you don't get like motion sickness. Obviously I'm not in a car right now, so this is me just like moving around. I'm like I'm like moving my phone back and forth. I'm like rocking it, but if you go like forward, obviously it's going to detect it, and the like little dots will like move forward. Here I'm just again rocking my phone back and forth so you guys can see what I mean. I can't really move it in like a forward motion. I do have to like walk to do this, which I'm too lazy. Also, I have like the worst migraine I've ever had in my life. But yeah, that is how you can turn on the vehicle motion cues to help hopefully with your motion sickness. I actually have not really tried this. I don't really go out that much, so I have not tried this yet, and I will maybe in the future. I will probably let you guys know if it worked. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried this and it worked for you, and let me know if you are going to try this, and then come back to this video and tell me if that helped, And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!